Okay, that turned up a week ago, and it was posted the same time as my new project, which is that. So I've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 projects to do at the moment, and there's probably another few more to go. But so that turned up today, and that was a week late on a 2 to 3 day priority delivery. Thank you, FedEx. And you couldn't give me a straight answer. What the hell? So, got a 55 turn brushed motor to go in. And everything, and I mean everything, that's all the screws and plates, tyres. Not sure I'm going to use them. I might got some Land Rover tyres I wasn't going to use. Might use them. Everything in this kit seems to be metal or very high grade plastic. So, and since the weather forecast for the weekend is absolutely crap, I'm not taking the body out, but it's that one. So, can't wait to get this build started. Wanted a truck, so that's what I've bought. So everything is metal. This looks really good to build. Can't wait. No build video. Don't do build videos. Don't do unboxing videos. I know this is unboxed, a bit ironic, but I wasn't going to take it apart and explain every bit. Not my kind of style. More to follow.